Hi guys, it's me. I am doing this video just to see how many of you would actually check it out tonight. So we're going to pretend that these hands on the screen are my hands in front of me. And when you have a 9's multiplication trick, we've talked about this before, if the problem is 9 times, let's say 3, these are my hands in front of me. I'm only doing them this way because when I do my hands on the screen, they go backwards. So I'm going to start with my left hand and count 1, 2, 3. I'll put this finger down. Any fingers to the left of it up is my tens. So I've got 1, 2. And anything on the right of that down finger are my ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your answer is 27. Let's say the multiplication problem is 9 times 5. Go over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put this finger down. So we're going to pretend that this finger's down. All the fingers to the left of that down finger are your tens. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the right, you have 5 fingers. So your answer for 9 times 5 is 45. Now I'm going to do one that requires us to go over to this hand now. So let's say 9 times 7. We're going to start with the left pinky again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to put this finger down. It's hard to imagine, but put this finger down. I'm going to leave that circle there. Anything to the left of it is your tens. So I have 6 fingers to the left, so 60. And I have 1, 2, 3 to the right. So my answer is 63. Try a few on your own and see how you do.